Hi, I'm Steve with Prima Coffee, and today we're going to talk about the Urnex Roaster Sprayz. So the Roaster Sprayz will work for your home or your commercial roasters. You just have to make sure that you don't use it on painted surfaces and you don't use it on aluminum. So why clean a roaster? So in particular, you would do it because the oil and the residue that build up in there can disrupt the flow of air, which is really important for the roasting process and the quality of the coffee that you roast. And secondly, because any of the oils in here, along with the chaff that build up, are flammable. And so it is a fire hazard to sort of let it go too long and become too dirty. So Roaster Spray is made of phosphate-free and biodegradable ingredients, so it is safe to use on your roaster. And so what it does is it's a high foaming solution that clings to the oils and the residues and breaks them up and allows you to wipe them away. So how do you use the Roaster Sprayz? It is very simple to use. You would just disassemble the roaster, take out the parts that you want to clean. So like I said, we have the drum here, we have the cover to the funnel, we have the chaff collection tray, we have the bearing plate, and we have the face of the roaster itself. It's anything that's going to collect those oils. It's going to come in contact with the green coffee, or it's going to come in contact with the chemical reaction happening during the roasting process. So all you need to clean with the Roaster Spray is the Roaster Spray, a bottle of water that you're going to use after you've used that to wipe away any residue, 2 rags, one for the Roaster Spray and one for the water phase. And then you need to disassemble the roaster down to all of the components that you want to clean. And then you need a vacuum or a brush to clear away all of the chaff on the components that you're going to clean. So I want to show you how well this works. So the first step is just to spray a little roaster spray onto the component that you want to clean, and then you let it sit for about 1 minute to 5 minutes, depending on how much buildup there is. So there's a lot on here, so we're going to go for a couple of minutes. Okay, so as you can see, like most of the residue, especially that was here on the outside and on the inside here, there's a little bit there that we still need to probably spray a little more onto, but it was able to remove all those oils. So the next step after doing that is to take your clean rag and a little bit of water and to spray the component, to spray it with water, and then take your clean rag and sort of wipe it down just to make sure all of the residue from the Roaster Sprayz has been removed. So that is the Roaster Sprayz from Urnex. As you can see, it works really well to clean away any of those residues that have collected on your equipment. And it is made of phosphate-free and biodegradable ingredients, so it is completely safe to use for the components of your roaster. You can find it online at primacoffee.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks again for watching. If you liked that video, you'll be pleased to know there is so much more on our website, including comparisons, product reviews, brew guides, events coverage, and so much more. And help support our channel by subscribing, liking this video, sharing, commenting, and clicking that bell button. Happy brewing!